guys, today, oh my god, look at my hair. I've dyed it blue. It's temporary though. It's only for my school's messy hair day, but I've dyed it blue to look at it, but it's kind of cool. But I don't know why, but I went to a shop, yeah, to get that hair dye, and I don't know why, but what is this? A skibidi toilet. Skibidi toilet, yeah. Skibidi toilet package. Like, I didn't know they made brain rot packages. What are they going to do next? Tung 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 sahur. Oh my god. Okay, let's open it, and I'm going to look at it first, 'cause, yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that's actually kind of good. Ooh. Right. That's good. This camera woman. Don't know who this is because it says camera woman, but that doesn't look like a woman. It looks like a man. Whoa. Let's open it. There we go. I'm gonna open it this way. This is literally like impossible to open right now. Oh my god. Oh, there's tape. Oh, I opened it. Yeah. Pretty cool. Yeah, this is cameraman or camera woman, I don't really know. But it's one of them. Like, I don't really know which one I got. I feel like I got this one. I feel like I actually got like this one, as you can see. But it also looks like I've got this one right here. But I don't know. Drop your answers in the comments down below. And like and subscribe. You don't have to, but you can. Yeah, and tell me in the comments if you want me to dye my hair blue permanently. Yeah, that probably won't happen, but yeah, I'll have to ask my mum. But look at this mega ball I found. Well, I didn't find it. I bought it for £5. But it's massive. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, same colour as my hair. And by the way, guys, this is not a effect. This is real. It's real. That really just landed on my mum's chair. Look. Oh my.